The Landfill Communities Fund can be used for the provision, maintenance or improvement of a park or other public amenity. An amenity is something that makes the environment more pleasant or comfortable, or improve the aesthetic qualities of an area for the general public.
My name is Lynn Berlin. I'm a charity trustee for Cuford Eagles Football Club. We've got about 550 children that play for Cuford Eagles, including those with disabilities. And so we had this dream that we wanted our own home for Cuford Eagles and the children that play for us. Going through that process, we got lots of help, lots of advice from all the different people, you know, how to fill in the forms, what they wanted from us, what sort of information they needed. And when you put all that together and you submit it, and then you get sort of the funding to do something like this, you know, it makes it all worthwhile. We feel really, really proud of what we've done, and obviously we couldn't have done it with people like the Football Foundation and the Landfill Communities Fund, because without them we wouldn't be stood here today.
If you are interested in embarking on a project, there are 3 qualifying criteria the project must meet. The project must be open and accessible to the general public, not be operated with a view to making a profit, and be in the vicinity of a landfill site. Your project application will need to provide details of your project's location, proposed works, and benefits to the public, including times the amenity is available to the public. It will also need to detail how the park or amenity is for the protection of the environment, how far the project is from a licensed landfill site, and how the proposed works are not a condition of planning approval granted on the application of the landfill operator or as a term of a statutory agreement to which the landfill operator is a party. For more information, please visit www.entrust.org.uk.